Hi, I'm Steve Blake. I'm the Solutions Consultant for Access Control and ID Systems here at AIT. I've been advising people on their security for more than 15 years now, and today I'd like to talk to you about how access control can help with the safeguarding requirements that Ofsted put on schools. We know for a fact that Ofsted are marking schools down on their security at the moment. Pointers that the inspectors are asked to look out for is the extent to which a school takes reasonable steps to ensure that the pupils are safe on site. One, by monitoring visitors and any volunteers, any adult people that could be on the site. Anyone that's using those premises during the school times. We know, for instance, a lot of schools have public use of gyms and that type of thing, which can mean that there's people that aren't parents, have no relation to any children on site. And the other query is whether the school has adequate security arrangements for all of their grounds and buildings. So we know that adding an access control system to gates, doors, car park barriers can secure your whole premises. It means that people are only allowed into the areas that they specifically are authorised. So if you do have that gym that's available for public use, if you allow car parking for it, then you can put access control on the barrier. If somebody's a member and they've maybe paid extra for the car parking space, they can get into the car park, they can get into the gym or the changing room that they're allowed to use, but they can't get into any of the other school premises. If somebody's not a member of anything, if you have access control on the external gates, you stop them getting into the premises at all. By ensuring that only those authorised onto premises can get to only those areas that they're allowed to, then you will meet the Ofsted guidelines. The access control system, we use Salto, also allows a full audit trail of who has gone where when. And that can be used as a form of attendance monitoring. If you give all the pupils cards, tokens, and such like, we can show where they've been when. So you can show that somebody's turned up to school and that they've been in school all day, rather than turning up to registration and disappearing again. We're able to integrate the access control system because we are integration specialists. So we can have it working alongside your SIMs, for instance, or any other type of management information system. One of the main advantages of the Salto system that we use is that it allows both input and output of the system itself. So we can tie in through Active Directory, as some of the larger schools and colleges use. Anything with an SQL database, allied to our expertise in that integration, means that once you've handed out cards as ID for your pupils and staff, it can then be used for a number of other factors, cashless catering, library systems, all of those can all be used from that one point. Our access control solution, it can be used almost anywhere. It can be fitted on glass doors, on roller shutters, fire doors. We even have locks that can be used on server cabinets and lockers, as well as all of the traditional gates, barriers and such like. Ofsted scoring is an important factor when parents are making their decisions of where they want their children to go. Feeling that your child is safe and secure all day when you're not around yourself is a really important factor for a parent. We believe that by using a proper access control system that's designed specifically for your usage brings those two things together. So overall, you've got a simple, cost-effective and tailored solution that fits exactly to your requirements. Obviously, there are lots of different options to get to that tailoring, and we're happy to advise you on what those may be and what's the best bet for yourself. So either speak to myself, Steve Blake. I'm on 0113 273 0300, or you can email us at solutions@ait.co.uk. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.